Hi everyone, my name is Franzel A. Malubay.
And I am Charles G. Palabasan.
First, go to Google Chrome and search Chrome Installer. Tapos may makikita kayo dito guys na ito, Google Play Store or up to download or APK Pure. Siyempre, pipindutin natin yung APK Pure. Pindot na natin guys. Tapos download APK, tapos download ulit. After natin mag-download, magpa-pop up yan dito sa taas. Ito guys, turo ko naman. Ayan na guys. Tapos tatap mo lang yan. After mong i-tap, double tap mo yung nasa pinakataas. Wait natin mag-install. Hindi lang kailangan ko dito. And guys, ayun na nga guys. And wait lang natin mag-install. And na-install na natin guys.
So ngayon po, tapos na po yung pag-install. Proceed po tayo sa mga favorite app na mostly ginagamit natin. Yung ba dito yung Facebook, YouTube, ChatGPT, Microsoft OneDrive. Click natin itong YouTube guys. ChatGPT, Facebook, Microsoft. Then may lalabas po dito sa side na yes. Click lang po natin yan para mag-run yung mga favorite apps natin. Finish. Yan, click. Yes. Ito. Yes. Ito. Okay. So, yes. Ito Microsoft Online. Yan, fish. Click natin. Then ito po, katapos ng mga favorite apps, meron po dito mga code. Then that's it.
Hi everyone, my name is Mau Okada and today I will teach you how to download VirtualBox. First, search the VirtualBox. After you search it, you tap the download button. And after you download it, tap at the right side tap button. It will give you some notification that the app has already been downloaded. After that, you select app and 5 tap the word. So, pagtapos nun, wala ka nang gagalawin dahil okay na yun, na-download na. So, ayun. And ayun, nakapag-download na kayo na parang notepad. And you can use that app to note your reviewer for coding or exams, etc.